Happy Easter! Who else got some from the pastor's wife in the parking lot after service today? Hell yeah! Today's cocktail done quickly is the Zombie Goes to Church. Sorry, that was really crass. This is a cocktail riff that I came up with because I was tired of looking at recipes for Easter cocktails that all had ginger liqueur in them after having just thrown away what was left of my bottle of it. I'm so pissed. Let's talk about ingredients. To make this cocktail, you will need Jamaican rum, apple brandy, carrot juice, lime juice, Suze, cinnamon syrup, and Angostura bitters. We're gonna use some arugula, funnily enough, for the garnish here, and a wedge of lime, so don't use it all up when you make the drink. Let's get mixing. We're gonna start with 3 dashes of Angostura bitters. We're gonna come behind that with half an ounce of cinnamon syrup. Next up, we'll do half an ounce of Suze. Come behind that with 3/4 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Next up, we'll do 1 ounce of carrot juice. And then for our spirits, we'll do 1.5 ounces of Jamaican rum and 1.5 ounces of apple brandy. That's all of our ingredients. Let's grab some ice to shake this up. That was a little more explosive than I wanted it to be. Thanks, asshole. We're gonna cap that up, cap that down, and give that a shake for 10 to 15 seconds to chill and combine. For serving, I'm going to grab a chilled tulip glass from my freezer, and then we will just take that and dirty dump our contents into the glass. Top that up with some more ice. And for garnish, we'll take some freshly washed arugula, put that down along our drink line like so, and stack next to that a nice wheel of lime. That, ladies and gentlemen, is a Zombie Goes to Church. Happy Easter. Boom. This camera's battery sucks so hard. It's already almost dead. Let's give that a taste. Cheers. Why does that work? This is built off the spec of an actual zombie by Don the Beachcomber. So it's got the carrot in there as a substitute for grapefruit juice. We're adding the Suze instead of falernum to replace the bitterness. The cinnamon stays the same. The lime gives it zest. The lime pairs so nicely with the Jamaican rum. The apple brandy gives it a fruitiness. The arugula on the nose keeps it like a peppery bite, and it makes it look more like a carrot than, you know, mint does, although parsley would probably look the most like carrot greens. If you need a way to deal with your in-laws this Easter, here you go. Flancha.